For many factories, energy costs are becoming one of the biggest challenges. Rising fuel prices are reducing profits and increasing operating pressure. Traditional fuels such as coal, diesel, and natural gas are expensive and unstable. How can factories reduce fuel costs while maintaining stable reduction? The answer may already be around you: biomass waste. Materials like wood chips, rice husks, and agricultural waste can become valuable energy resources. A biomass gasification boiler converts solid biomass into clean combustible gas through a controlled gasification process. The generated gas is then used for industrial heating and steam production. Inside the gasifier, biomass is transformed into fuel gas through several thermal conversion stages. This improves combustion efficiency and provides stable heat output. Compared with traditional fossil fuel systems, biomass gasification boilers help factories use local resources and reduce fuel dependence. Lower fuel costs, more energy independence. Biomass gasification boilers are widely used in industries requiring continuous heat and steam, especially in regions with abundant biomass resources. With the right system design, biomass waste can become a reliable energy source for your factory.